Hey guys and gals, I'm The Terrain, and today Mojang released the third pre-release for Minecraft 1.16.2. There were a few visual bug fixes for the previous pre-release, but let's not waste any more time and get into the fixes. For visual changes, wolves were previously rendered almost black while in dark areas or in areas not directly affected by sunlight. However, this pre-release has fixed this issue. Armor stands with the marker tag, which removes the armor stand's hitbox, was also rendered dark when inside blocks, as you can see here. You can also see that the diamond sword and armor is also rendered dark. However, this has now been fixed in this pre-release. Moving on to redstone changes, pistons had two bugs last pre-release. Ghost blocks were sometimes generated in some piston setups, such as right here, and piston heads would sometimes appear twice. Overall, the pistons looked very buggy. However, this pre-release fixed both of these bugs. In previous versions, if players hit F3 and D to clear the chat, and if chat delay was on, then any previous messages that were pending would not be cleared. However, this bug has been fixed in this version. And in news of world generation, the position predicate field is now optional. Before, the console would be spammed with the phrase no key position predicate in map like. However, since this field is now optional, this bug should be fixed. And that is all for this pre-release video. Unfortunately, it was short, but fortunately that probably means that 1.16.2 will be released very soon. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more snapshot coverage, as well as tutorials for mods and plugins. To learn how to play on the new pre-release and create a server on the new pre-release, hit the I in the top right corner. If you'd like to play on the latest pre-release with your friends, check out Server.pro by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.